In this video, we're going to take a look at the average rate of change of a function. So we will start by defining that average rate of change. So if we have a point, x1, y1, and a second point, x2, y2, are points on the graph of a function, then the average rate of change between x1 and x2, it is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And that value there, it might look familiar. This is really just the slope between the 2 points. So if we wanted to find the average rate of change of this function, f of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 3 between 1 and 4, we need to find what is the y value. So if x1 is equal to 1, then y1 is going to be f of 1. So it's 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 3. So 1 squared minus 2 plus 3 is 2. If x2 then is 4, then y2 is the function evaluated at 4. So it's 4 squared minus 2 times 4 plus 3. So 4 squared is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. So that's our y2. So we identified the x1 and x2 and the associated y values, y1 and y2. So then our average rate of change, it is going to be y2, the 11, minus 2, divided by 4 minus 1. 11 minus 2 is 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 9 over 3 is 3. So our average rate of change is 3. Great. So let's look at a second example of finding average rate of change here. So here we want to find the average rate of change of the function f of x equals x cubed plus x squared minus 4x plus 8. To find the average rate of change here, we identify what y1 is. So x1 is 0. Then the y1 is f of 0. So it's 0 cubed plus 0 squared minus 4 times 0 plus 8. And when we do that, we get 8. If x2 then is the other x value, is 2, then y2 is the function evaluated at 2. So it's 2 cubed plus 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 8. And if we do all that, we end up with 12 as an output. And so we have the x values and their associated y values. And so now we can find the average rate of change. The average rate of change here is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 is 12, y1 is 8 over 2 minus 0. So our average rate of change here is 2. Great. So that's average rate of change. We will have one more video where we will look at the difference quotient. So we will see you there.